Right, I'm hijacking you. McDonald's is hot. I need predictions. What's predictions?
500 wheel horsepower.
500 wheel horsepower. Alright.
No, I'm joking. 480 wheel horsepower. 480. That's the number. That's the number. I just had a hot hash brown that's hotter than lava.
Don't die. Come on, we've got shit to do.
Oh no, you put me on the spot now. I need a stir.
We were having a chat yesterday on the way home, and making me cough now.
It's the McDonald's cough, isn't it?
Yeah. We were having a chat on the way home yesterday, and we just sort of said,
you can use a Sharpie as a stir.
We want to. Yeah, of course you can. Matt, so I want 520. So I've got one more horsepower than that GT3.
Yeah.
And I thought about it, I did a bit of research. The 520's at the crank, not the wheels. So, what did I say, 465 at the wheels?
Is that what it said?
Yeah, 465-ish at the wheels.
I don't think they like the fact we're parked in the truck stop.
I don't think they do, we should probably go actually. We'll actually get squashed.
Alright. No, don't want to run over
465, no, 456. 456 at the wheels. 456. And we said, if we get 460 at the wheels, which is actually 65 beyond where we left off yesterday.
Yeah.
Totally achievable.
And we've still got half a bar boost to go.
Totally achievable. A load of timing to throw at it.
Yeah, and cams.
Plus a bit of cam finagling.
Jiggery pokery.
Yeah, one of them. So 460 odd at the wheels is not out of the realms of possibility. 60 past where we're at right now.
That's why 480 would be better.
That's why 480 would be better.
Just realised it's 53 and I'm doing 80.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Let's not do that.
At least you realised before the cameras.
Yeah, I did. But yeah, I think at the top end things become restricted very, very quickly. Heat builds up very quickly, so it might be like we're chilling now and then all of a sudden.
On the plus side though, we looked at the dyno plot of that let's call it the record run.
Yeah, the record run.
And you're picking up your on boost 500-600 RPM earlier.
Yeah.
And until about 5,000, you're ahead of it.
Yeah, which is where he was at, I think 2.1 bar, so he went up and we sort of taper off.
Quite going right, doesn't it?
Feel the power of the Kia.
Whoa!
Diesel power. 1.6. 1.6 was, yeah. 1.6 turbo. Hello. No.
It makes what it makes.
I'll be honest with you, the way it sounded yesterday, I'm so happy with
I'll be well happy.
It's never sounded like that before. And I know it's because of the external gate, but even before then, even when it used to have just no dump valve and chatter, it was angry. But yesterday I was like, oh, this is a different thing.
Rules.
It's instantly a black flag on track.
It absolutely.
It's instantly a get the fuck in.
You're not taking that on the track, mate.
You've just pinged every sound limit.
Yeah.
That's okay. I don't mind. Yeah, so I don't know, it's just interesting. I find the whole tuning thing, building, quite interesting, especially when you see it start to come together. And all the little things you did that you think, will I need that? Actually, you start to rely on, like E-Man.
Yeah.
You start to see, you know, exhaust manifold pressure versus map, and then in the top end you start to use those things like EGT. We haven't looked at EGTs yet, but now we start leaning on it and start to rely on it. So it's like, oh, I didn't need that up until this point, but now I've got it.
Make a difference,
Awesome tuners, awesome environment. I just wish they had a shitter. I'm absolutely petrified I'm going to need a poo today.
Mate, the world has fallen out of me the last week. The last 2 days, I haven't needed the toilet. I'm doing alright.
Fair play for taking that risk. Yeah, I was just like, oh, I'd really like a toilet, so I could take the pressure off me, like, this coffee working is magic. floor, mate. I can sit on it. Oh no, that should be okay. Let's try it.
We'll see. We're going to see.
It's not getting any shit in it.
Yeah. Right. So we're going one spring.
Come on, do that. Little one, little one, little one.
We'll go one.
I mean, it's got ribs there.
Wait,
for
get
it.
out of the way.
Oh,
Another one.
Oh, okay.
Another one.
Yeah.
And another one.
Oh, look at this. How?
Like them Russian dolls.
Oh yeah. What are they called? Bambushkas, isn't they, or something?
I think they're called Russian dolls, actually.
Are they? What are they called? Bambushka dolls? I think Bambushka's like for nannies or something.
Hold it so I can just... Right, go on then. Can we get it all the way down? That's it, stay there. Stay there.
Oh.
Don't move.
Is it going?
Don't move. Yes, go. Don't move.
Why didn't I do this yesterday?
Don't move. That's it, there go.
Oh, that fucking hurts.
First time, look at that.
Wow, man.
It took us 3 tries yesterday.
Look at that.
Alright.
Should we nipper a dipper? Oh, fuck.
Keith, feed me! Feed me, Keith!
Right, surprise debrief. Here we go.
Oh, surprise debrief. Hey. See that kid on the electric bike?
Yes, I did. He is chipping.
Jesus.
Go on, boy. He's going faster than we are.
He's doing plus 40 miles an hour.
Yeah. He's gone. He's gone.
With no t-shirt on. Jesus tonight. Fast.
Boy's a hero. Well done.
Yeah, well done, mate.
He won't last long.
No, he's going to enjoy them skin grafts.
The time he had was wonderful.
Debrief day 2.
Time for Daddy's debrief.
Time for Daddy's debrief.
Matthew, how do we do? Before, forget the answer. How do you feel like we did? How do you feel about today?
I feel a level of zen and relaxation.
Zen and relaxation.
In a very long time.
That is not what was on your face all day.
You never know, do you, man? Like, build these engines, you know, it's not a built engine, it's not someone built it for me, it's built.
Well, it is a built engine, but it's a home built engine.
It's a home built engine, yeah.
With little to no experience.
Yeah, I mean, that's the first engine I've ever built.
Lots of information, but mainly prayers.
Yeah, and I don't know, I just, you know, every time you start putting boost into something, it's going to test its limits, isn't it?
It's a bit scary.
It is a bit scary, especially when you're revving it out to like 7.5. But it held on. And then we put the 1.75 bar combination of springs in.
Spring change again.
Spring change, yeah, which we're getting quite good at.
Yeah.
And it peaked at 2.2 bar and made 480 wheel horsepower.
All bar, 480, 420 foot-pound.
Fast.
Which is absolute animal. And it survived.
And it survived.
And it survived. We've survived the dyno day.
Yeah, we survived the dyno day, 2 dyno days.
2.
I didn't realise, I never even thought about it, but today's the 13th as well. 13's always been my lucky number.
Oh.
And we got the lucky number. We didn't run out of injector, didn't run out of boost. We pushed it to the edge of the platform. Is what it is. And the boost is like,
yeah.
It only dips off after 7.2.
So we're 479.1 at the wheels, 530 crank.
Yeah.
Pub talk numbers.
Pub talk, give a shit, doesn't matter. But it's going to be fast.
It's going to be a handful.
I'm going to need to be really clever with traction control.
Be really careful with your right foot.
Yeah.
Far more careful than you are turning nuts or spanners.
Yeah. As we all know, I like to snap everything. So, but no, it was cool, man. It was good. Those boys just know their shit as well. Like, I don't see them coming across a problem on a dyno that would be a problem for them. That would stop them.
No.
They just get through it, don't they? And you know, if it's work throughable or work aroundable, good.
Big up Quest Motorsport.
Yeah, they're great, fantastic. But yeah, so definitely a wicked result. You know, it would have been nice to make 500 wheel horsepower. I can't use 500 wheel horsepower really.
You might not use 480.
Might not use 480, yeah. I'm going to need a tyre sponsor. That'll be fun.
Yeah.
I think it's time for some AR1s. I'll kill them ones first. It's cool, isn't it? It made power. It just
really
made
good.
Power. The area under the curve is wicked.
Oh, it sounds so angry.
I'll put the graph up as well. When that gate is opening, it is mad. It is mad. And then the turbo just whoosh, she goes, doesn't she? Very nice. I mean, I can't say anything other than I'm stoked on it. I'm massively relieved because I can draw a line under the engine's mapped. Now it's just a case of tuning in drivability through controls. And I can just get this monkey off my back.
A couple little repairs to do. Well, one actually, just one. Sort the alternator out.
Yeah. And put a new inlet spacer on. Because it's
we had a little bit of an air leak on the back of the inlet.
I don't know why that was. But
it was nothing.
To get to the alternator, I've got to take that off anyway, so it'd be stupid not to put one on.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
And that's it.
And also I've got to wire in wheel speed, front and rear.
Yeah, it's control stuff now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just control stuff. She's going to be a monster. I cannot wait to kick its head in.
Yeah.
And if people thought it was loud before, it's a different thing now.
Yeah. It's so much louder and more angry than it used to be. Like, so much.
Yeah. Buy genuine turbos. Garrett's or Pulsars. I'll be interested to see what Quest start doing with them Pulsar turbos. Because they're apparently meant to be just as animal. And they're cheaper.
Works for me.
Food for thought for the future.
Sounds like plan for the KA.
I've got a bug for it now.
Yeah,
I want to build another motor.
I'm ready, let's go.
I've got a motor in the KA.
Yeah.
This does not mean the car is finished.
No, it just makes it move.
Just makes it move. And it's going to melt that exhaust in quick time. Not the exhaust, melt the bonnet. Quick time.
Yeah, it will.
So I need to come up with a solution for that and not just... I think the front motorsport stuff will help, but I need to get it wrapped.
Yeah, not wrapped, but coated or
insulated.
That Inconel stuff, whatever that is.
Yeah. Imco,
that's the one.
Yeah, that one. Imco, yeah. I will be reaching out.